How you doing? It's Ryan with First and Emergency Products. What we're going to be talking about today is drone cabinets. They've become more popular, so we want to talk about some of the things to consider when you're building your next vehicle. So the biggest part of your drone cabinet is going to be the monitor. So you have a couple different options for your monitors and how you want them to work. So the cheapest way to go is your regular television that you can get from any of your major electronic suppliers in whatever size that you want, as long as it'll fit in the vehicle, and you can work from there with that. They tend to, this is the most cost-effective way to get a monitor into your vehicle. Some of the downsides to that, they don't do well with glare and sunlight, so that can affect the resolution, how you're able to view that monitor. With that being said, they are larger and they take up quite a bit of room in your cabinet. Choosing a large monitor like that restricts how much other space you have in that cabinet for other equipment. The next option you have is a rack mount monitor. The beginning ones are 17-inch. They are the smallest in the 1U industry standard for IT. They take up very little room. They work out very well. You can get them in 12-volt configurations, and you can have different types of inputs into that monitor for whatever you're looking to use. They're customized for that, so you can have the monitor ordered for yourself. With those monitors, you have more customization. So you can do a single, you can do a double, or you can do a triple monitor, and they all have individual inputs, and you can usually tie them in to work off of one source also. With that being said, they are the most expensive option. They're going to be considerably more money than if you were to just put a regular monitor in the back. They have tons of options, such as, like we said, direct 12 volt. You can have them wired to 110. You have HDMI, DVI, all the industry standard inputs you can have. You can also get them in touchscreen. You can also have them in the SunBright option, which allows you to help with sun glare if you're in a daytime situation you need to view the monitor. So if you're looking to store a lot of other equipment and the main purpose is just not using the drone, you may have to go the more costly option with going with the rack mount style monitor to give you more functionality out of your cabinet. Some other things that you want to consider with that is what type of power requirements you have for that vehicle. So if you need 110 power, if you need 12 volt USBs to charge your batteries, your phone, whatever you're using to view it, the controller, all that stuff, that all can get built into the cabinet. Other things that are very popular with the drone cabinets is a pull-out workstation, which is usually at the bottom. Those workstations pull out just like any of our other drawers. They lock in, lock out. They can be any width, any size, as long as it will fit inside the vehicle, and we can tailor that to fit your needs. So thanks for checking out our video today. If you have any other questions about any of the options we have for drone cabinets, you can check out our website, check out the gallery for them and see different options, or you can give us a call, shoot us an email, shoot us a direct message on our social media pages, and ask us whatever questions you want. We're more than happy to help you design the cabinet that best suits your needs.